Central Islip is the school district. This is the best place. The academics are phenomenal, the sports are phenomenal, the students are great, the teachers are great, the admin's great. It really is a support system.
You meet so many different kinds of people that it prepares you for success in the real world.
And here, when you walk in the door, you're accepted for who you are.
Inclusion, diversity, acceptance.
It's, for many people, the American dream.
Everyone is so warm when you speak with them.
I think there's a feeling of camaraderie and there's a feeling of pride.
Everyone is accepted.
It's awesome. I think that we got a lot of good things here, and I think we need to keep it going.
Central Islip means everything to me. Central Islip is my heart. Central Islip has been there for me in so many times in my life. The teachers raised me to be the person I am today.
It means everything. This is the only district I wanted to teach in. I grew up in Central Islip. I've been part of the community my whole life. I wanted to give back. When I got the job here, I was ecstatic.
Being here and then being able to educate the children here and be a part of the community and be a part of everything that happens within this town, it's everything.
Growing up here and then working here really just feels like it's the place that I belong.
It was just an important component for me to be able to come back and give back to the community who has given so much to me.
It's my passion, and there's no better place to do it than home.
Proudest moment is seeing that the children are enjoying learning and that they're engaged.
Seeing that light in kids' eyes when they're learning something.
I love when I'm in stores and there's little kids waving and, you know, the parents don't really know who I am, but it's like, no, he works at school, like he's one of the teachers. So for me, that brings me like a lot of joy and pride because we don't realize that sometimes the impacts that we have in people.
That is so nice to see how much we can accomplish and how much we can do for our community.
You gotta sometimes be the dad, the big brother, the uncle, or whoever. We're an integral part of raising these kids.
We want good things for them. We want them to grow up and become successful, and it's important to show that we're here for the kids.
They care more about how you feel about them first. And then after, then they want to learn from you.
We want to show our kids that we believe in them. We want to make sure that they feel empowered when they leave us.
We try to instill in our students that you can be anything that you put your mind to.
I can only hope I can help mold these young children to our future of our world. So that's just all I want to do every day.
What I love about school is the kind teachers that surround me.
I love everything. I love my classes, the teachers.
It's wonderful that I've gotten so far into my life with these wonderful teachers that I've had. So I guess the greatest thing about the school is the teachers.
I like to be here. I like to learn English because I would like to improve.
My child, he wants me to talk with his friends' parents. So I decided to come to school.
I want a better future for my life.
Central Islip has a proud and enduring history of making a difference. For decades, our schools have been the heart of this community, shaping lives, inspiring generations, and building brighter futures. Just as this community has evolved, so too does the power of learning to transform lives. Because every day, our teachers inspire, empower, and build the next chapter of Central Islip's story. Each member of our staff, faculty, and administration plays a vital role in inspiring our students to reach higher, dream bigger, and become the best versions of themselves. Together, we foster an environment where they can grow into compassionate, responsible individuals, ready to lead and face the world.
Education is the path to ultimate freedom. Once you know how, you're unstoppable.
Central Islip schools are excelling in academics, in the arts, in athletics. Our students are showing what CI pride looks like in action.
We have pride in everything we do. We represent ourselves. We show up for each other.
I bleed purple and gold my whole life. This place is, I'd put it against anywhere. We are top tier here.
Our students have tremendous amount of resources.
Is crucial for young kids to have somewhere to go after school.
All types of clubs, sports, anything that the school is providing.
When they graduate, they'll look back and be like, wow, my school did this for me, and look where I am now.
I believe that teachers are born, they're not made, and this is something that I always wanted to do.
Can people do this for a paycheck? Sure. Not here. You have to love what you do.
I love the kids. Coming to work is fun.
I, from an early age, knew I wanted to teach, and I knew I wanted to teach here.
I am really blessed to work for Central Islip. We opened the doors to a new future success.
Becoming an educator, it's one of the ultimate opportunities to give back.
Being able to spread the same passion that my teachers gave me here and give it back to my students is really fulfilling.
We pour into them everything that we have so that they can be successful in their future.
I would like to give a really big thank you to all teachers, to the lunch staff, the maintenance crew, the custodial staff, and security. Thank you for everything. Thank you to our teachers all the way from kindergarten to 12th grade who constantly put in hard work to make sure that we, the students, can thrive and achieve great things.
We have spent a big chunk of our lives in school, so the wonderful environment you have all provided us has incredibly influenced who we are.
As educators, every moment we invest has the potential to transform lives. Every day we create avenues for success, ignite sparks for change, and inspire hope in every child and adult we serve. There's no place quite like Central Islip, a community rooted in hope, unity, and a shared vision for a future full of promise. Let's embrace the endless possibilities ahead with optimism and courage, knowing that together we can accomplish anything. Every day is an opportunity to make a meaningful difference, and I have no doubt that this school year will be our most impactful yet. Here's to a year filled with growth, positivity, and limitless potential. Welcome back, Central Islip. Central Islip, where children are our future and diversity is our strength. Have a great year, everyone.